Are you ready to witness the smartphone that could change everything again? The OnePlus 15 is about to shake the smartphone world with features that sound almost too good to be true. But trust me, this phone is real, it's powerful, and it's coming sooner than you think. So stay tuned till the end of this video, because there's a huge surprise waiting for those who make it to the last second, and believe me, you won't want to miss it. Now, let's dive into what makes the OnePlus 15 one of the most exciting upcoming phones of the year. OnePlus has always been known for delivering performance that rivals the big names at a more reasonable price, but this time, they're stepping up to a whole new level. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to come powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, a beast designed for lightning-fast speed, better AI capabilities, and unmatched gaming performance. Imagine playing your favorite games or switching between heavy apps with absolutely zero lag. That's the kind of smooth experience we're talking about. And speaking of AI, OnePlus is introducing an entirely new AI engine in the OnePlus 15 that learns how you use your phone, predicts what you'll do next, and optimizes everything automatically, from battery performance to app loading times, making it feel like the phone knows you better than you know yourself. Now, let's talk about that display. OnePlus is expected to feature a 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and LTPO technology, meaning you'll get the smoothest scrolling and most vibrant colors whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing social media. The brightness is rumored to go beyond 3,000 nits, making it crystal clear even under bright sunlight, perfect for outdoor use. And for all the camera lovers out there, the OnePlus 15 is bringing serious upgrades. The main camera could feature a 50MP Sony sensor with next-gen HDR, an ultra-wide 48MP lens, and a 64MP telephoto camera with up to 5x optical zoom. Combine that with AI-powered image processing, and your photos and videos are going to look absolutely stunning, bright, detailed, and cinematic. The front camera will also deliver an upgraded 32MP lens with enhanced night mode and video stabilization for vloggers and selfie lovers. But what about battery life? OnePlus 15 will reportedly come with a massive 5,500 mAh battery with 150W SuperVOOC charging. That's right, you could go from 0 to 100% in just around 20 minutes. Plus, wireless charging support is finally improving, rumored to reach up to 50W. And thanks to AI optimization, the battery is expected to last longer than ever before, even after years of use. When it comes to design, expect a sleeker titanium frame, curved edges, and a matte glass back that not only looks premium, but feels luxurious in hand. OxygenOS 15, based on Android 15, will bring new customization options, privacy features, and performance modes that let you control every detail of your phone's behavior. Now, here's the part everyone's waiting for, the launch date. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch globally around February 2026, with pre-orders starting shortly after. But here's the suspense. Leaks hint that OnePlus might secretly unveil a Pro Max version alongside it, featuring a periscope lens and an even larger battery, something no one expected. So keep your eyes peeled, because the surprise might drop earlier than you think. And before we wrap up, let me ask you, if you could upgrade just one thing on your current phone, what would it be? Comment below, and let's see what the OnePlus team should focus on next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. The future of smartphones is getting smarter, faster, and more exciting, and the OnePlus 15 is proof that the revolution is just beginning. Stay tuned, because what's coming next will blow your mind.